Welcome. Katanya, apakah mandi itu sulit? Pagi teman-teman. Good evening, apa kabar? Oh, malam di sana ya. I'm good. How about you? I'm going well, thank to God. Baguslah. What's evening looks like there? Hahaha, I don't know. Oh, like Mars, Saturn, or Venus? Mubarak, Yash, Ama. You guys say your greetings here for the bonus. Oh, hey, hi, how are you? I'm great and as bright as the sun here. How about you? I'm also great, darling. Baguslah, nikmati hari ini. Hai, selamat pagi, Zen dan Ama. Selamat malam, Cheryl. Kemudian frasa hari ini ya, lintah darat ini merupakan idiom loan shark. I can't speak Indonesian language, guys. Every time I got confused. But you know the greetings, right, Ama? Ya, baguslah. Excuse me, what greeting? You ain't the one. Nah ini lihat greetingsnya. Ama and Cher, would you guys like to watch my video on YouTube? This is the greeting ya. Definitely. Oh, I'm sorry, dear, but you learn so. Come to Sri Lanka. I need friends. Oh my gosh. I want to sometime. God willing. Uh-huh. Oh, really? Are you new on WhatsApp? Nope, I don't have friends. Never mind. Oh, why? I'm your friend now. Mm, thanks, then. Are in TikTok? It's a privilege and a pleasure too, Ama. Oh, same. Goodness, I think we've same MBTI. Hmm, let's exchange hints. Why, sure, come. You first. MBTI test which team, but sometimes I have another personality too, but it's okay. Each one has two or more. Yeah. Are you into psychology? I love it, yeah. What the fuck? Why? Are you into architecture? Yeah, me too. I'm into fashion. I'm too related to art. Wow. Do you have so many hobbies? Are you adventurous? Visual merchandising, architect, pottery. Yeah. Reading, writing, especially singing, drawing, spending time in nature. Oh my god. Wow, you are my kind, bro. What the heck? Meow. Are you INFJ or INTP or ISTP? Guess. That is my guess. Not three. Extroverted or introverted? Intro.
Actually, I'm really sorry because I want to charge my phone. I will come back. See you later. Bye.
Okay. INTG. See you. Really?
Sure. Please take your time.
You? Are you INTG? Haha, we agreed to keep it as a challenge. This is enough. Tell me. Okay. Not even 1 week, 1 day, because I'm impatient as fuck. Got it. Now your turn. Guess. Oh, same? 50%. Take a guess, another 50%. 15% intro and 15 extra intro. Melancholy choleric. When I got depressed, I'm INTG as fuck. I see. Bro, just guess. That's my guess? What? By the way, we're both cis. This. I'm INFJ and INTJ. Modern MBT is complex. I see. What did you read? We're actually same. The basics. Manipulative. About what? Ah, ah. Oh my gosh. Personally, right? No, no. I just asking what are you reading? Just search about melancholic, pragmatic. Oh, okay. I'm both and a little bit of choleric. Do you do you read psychology or philosophy books? Yeah, I'm into psychology more. Dark psychology or light psychology? Oh my goodness. Does it matter? Yeah, I does. It does. I love all about psychology. Nice. I'm really into dark psychology. Yeah, ooh, nice. I'm not really an influential. Oh, I mean, in a food way, I am. Uh-huh. I'm into maintaining good mental, emotional, and spiritual well being. I mean, good. Oh, nice. I'm into manipulation, human behavior, mind reading. Wow. What can you read in me this time? Nothing. You sure? Yeah. How come? We are in online world. I can do all those in person, not like this. Well, I can see your mind is really working hard this time. Yeah, it's more difficult here. No, you just imagine that I'm thinking about you, but no, because it's useless in online, so I'm not thinking. Yeah, it's not useless at all. No, no, I mean example we got betrayed by our close ones. We exactly trust and love, but how it's because they all wearing different masks. So we don't know anyone. In online it's impossible. It's because we are generate a mask that everyone think we are good, but actually we are not. In my eyes, everyone is fake. That's why I'm learning about psychology. Oh yeah, it's the trend and I don't blame you. I too am really careful here. Anyway, it's yours to discover whether you found a genuine friend in me or not. You're right. Honestly, even in literal life, I hate to wear masks. It feels suffocating. What is this? Look, some studies show that only 7% of our communication comes from actual spoken word, whereas as shopping whopping 55% of it stems from body language. What is this? How can we trust someone 7% of spoken words? Exactly. Yeah, you have to be very careful. Oh yeah, you don't need to be very careful with me though. Just be yourself. I know. We're both women. Definitely, that's why I love to talk with someone who is not in my country. Yeah. Haha, really? How old are you? You should be careful though. I don't have friends in my country. Oh, can I PM you? Yeah, definitely. With permission, we can. Thanks. Aku nggak pernah mendengarmu bernyanyi, Zen. Kamu lupa, Vi. Ah, masa sih? Kapan? Sudah lama sekali saya menyanyikan lagu Kristen Indonesia. Pada bulan apa kamu menyanyikannya? Barangkali aku bisa cek scroll up. Oh iya, hanya scroll up. Bulan apa? Aku lupa, Vi. Itu sudah sangat lama sekali. Atau kamu memang tidak pernah? It was Indonesian version of The Goodness of God. Martin was still here. Kamu yakin kamu menyanyikannya di grup ini? Yep, Martin, tahun lalu dong. Iya, aku yakin. Coba aku tanya Martin. Haha, I don't know, maybe he forgot. Artinya kamu nggak pernah bernyanyi, Zen. Kamu tanya Ronit juga. Oh, oke. Ya. Zen, kamu jangan bersekongkol dengan Ronit ya. Oh, kenapa? I mean, hahaha, I don't feel. Don't ask him. Buddy, if we ask about my singing, you say you remember, okay? No. If you can't find here, by the way, if you mention the month, it's gonna be easy for me to find out. Maybe on PM if you still have our old convo. I don't remember. I changed my numbers, you know. Ayolah Zen, bernyanyilah lagi sekarang. Oh, ayo, 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 ayo. I'm croaking right now. Alasan. I'm trying to find it, but I can't. I guess I've deleted. When? Which one? Hello friends, I hope everything is good. My friends, have a nice day. Hai Yash, selamat siang. Dia tidak ingat, Sen. Really? Does he have it yet? I mean, hahaha. Tuh, lihat ya. Martin, kamu ingat gak Zen pernah bernyanyi di grup belajar bahasa Indonesia? Tidak ingat lah, kenapa? She has changed the number, right? Cuma tanya. Oke. On PMV. Iyalah, kan dia tidak ada di sini. Ya, kamu tanya dia. Selamat siang. Iya, dia mencoba menghubungi kamu, tapi nomormu tidak aktif. Well, me. Who can understand anything? Kamu lagi apa? You will. If he still have our convo, I think I send him on PM. Who the hell is he? Saya di rumah. Why did you sing to him, not to us, on the group anyway? He is Martin, our friend, an old member of this group before I removed him last year. Oh, an old participant here. Kamu lagi apa means what are you doing? Kamu di mana means where are you? Haha, hey, not to him. I just let him listen. But I think I sent here too, or in our chat room and Ronit's. Why did you remove him, V? Is he still here? Just sing it again now, Zen. Because he broke the rule of this group. Oh, remember, the only rule of this group is you aren't allowed to be an inactive member. I can't memorize anymore. Lagu yang lain kalau gitu. Thanks so much. What happened when I don't respond to these group messages? Sama-sama. You will be removed. Read the description, Ama. Hanya Inggris. I like you so much, friend, Shelvia. Tuh kan? Coba. Ronit, do you remember Zen had sung in my Indonesian learning group? No? You are so pretty, very nice person, very unique. Coba. Oh, please do respond. Terima kasih banyak, Yash. Aku malu. Jadi maksudmu tahun lalu kamu tidak malu dan tahun ini kamu malu. Goodness, ask him about me sending him an Indo song. It is not the same. Maybe the reason why I didn't send here means sending an Indo song is not the same as you sing it yourself. I did sing it, V. No, you didn't. I'm sure I did. No. Hi, guys. Hi, Ama. Hi, V. What are you doing? What time is it there? Aku lagi mau makan malam nih, Ama. I'm about to have my dinner.